In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retire gear in the Strava app. If you track your running shoes, bikes, or other equipment in Strava, retiring gear is a great way to keep your stats accurate when something's worn out or you've moved on to a new setup. Retiring doesn't delete anything. It simply marks that item so it stops being attached to future activities while preserving all your past data. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. You'll land on your feed, but for gear management, we need to head to your profile. Look toward the top left and tap your profile icon or your profile photo. This takes you to your personal dashboard where Strava keeps things like activities, clubs, and importantly for today, your list of gear. Once you're on your profile screen, scroll down until you see the section labeled Gear. It can be a little lower on the page, so keep scrolling if you don't spot it right away. When you find gear, tap it to open your full list. Here you'll see any shoes, bikes, or other equipment you've added in the past. Find the specific item you want to retire and tap it to open its details. This page shows the gear's name and any usage stats, like total distance. When you're ready, look for the option that says Retire Gear and tap it. And that's all there is to it. Strava will tag that item as retired, which means it won't be assigned to new activities going forward. After retiring, the gear remains visible in your list, usually marked clearly so you can tell it's retired at a glance. Your historical activities and mileage tied to that gear stay intact, so you keep a complete record of how much use it got. This is especially helpful for tracking shoe lifespan or maintenance intervals on a bike. If you don't see the gear section, double check that you're on your profile and not the activity feed. If your gear isn't listed, you may need to add it first before you can retire it. And if you have multiple types of gear, make sure you're opening the exact item you intend to retire so your active equipment remains available for new workouts. To quickly confirm everything worked, back out to your gear list and look for the retired tag next to the item you just updated. That visual label lets you know it's no longer active. And that's it. You've successfully retired gear in the Strava app, keeping your future activities clean while preserving your past stats.